Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong, and I am doing something really fun this morning. I'm going through and organizing all of these paint chips that I have. It's about time I did this because, as you know, I do a lot of paper packs and fun packs, and it's a lot of fun to do packs that have a color theme. Whew. I have a lot of these, and I've done a lot of sorting before I even turned the camera on. One of the fun things to me about all of this is to read the names of the paint colors. Like that is Hail a Cab. And here we've got Touch of Class, You Are My Sunshine. Right off the cuff, you might think, well, they're kind of boring, but the names, oh my goodness. Sometimes just the names can tie into, like this one is Anonymous. And this is Black Swan. Colors change depending on what they're close to. I had to move to my desk. I was sitting on the floor and I had some things in the brown stack that looked really brown until I got up here under the light, like this. That looked brown in a different light. But then I get up here. In fact, this says Bedford Brown, but then it just looks so much more rosy. I don't know, which I guess that does travel into the pinks. Anyway, this is a start. This says In the Mood for Yellow. This has to go in my yellow pack that I'm working on. One of the things that prompted me to do this is that I'm working on some custom packs. I've had some requests for blue packs, so I'm currently putting together 4 of those, and I recently got a really wonderful gift of some beautiful fabric. It's absolutely beautiful. A friend of mine got in touch with me, and he does all sorts of construction work and remodeling and stuff, and no in-person contact. All of this fabric was left for me outside. It's pristine. This fabric was so beautiful and so clean. Nevertheless, I have washed it and dried it, so it's been through some heat, and I am in the process of folding it, cutting it, and there were some gorgeous blues in that. What does that say? Elizabethan yellow. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love that. So, and that's mac and cheese. I know that one of the blue packs is already called for. You all probably saw last week that what am I doing? Stone. Some of these, like, they just really cross over, and my hands are so dry. Oh my goodness, every time I go out, basically, I just did a lot of rambling to tell you that I've only gone out when necessary and that I have washed my hands so much that they're really dry, and that's all. But going back to these packs, I know one of the blue packs is called for, but there will be 3 additional packs. So if you're interested, just keep an eye out for those, or you can even let me know, hey, I want one of those. What is this one? Sunset Boulevard. That's cool. And this is Bus Top, not Bus Stop. Bus Top Tour. There's Marmalade. Aw, sweet baby boy. I need to pull that out for my daughter because I'm working on a baby journal for her. There's October Leaf, which I would consider orange. Aging Barrel would be brown. See, this says lemongrass. That looks green to me, but I guess lemongrass is green. Smells like lemon. There's a whole stack of yellows. This is my white, off-white, and beige. And then we go into sort of khaki and brown. They're a little bit overlapping there. There's Red Gumball, Lucky Penny, Forever Cloudless Sky, Blue Sausalito Bay, Documented Blueprint, Old Yorktown Blue. I miss going to Yorktown. I used to have family there. I sure miss it. I could go visit though. Could go visit the town. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming. Gosh, my hair bun is really big today. Look at that. I mean, that's just what happens. Anyway, if you're interested in any custom packs, one of the blue packs, any other colors, just let me know and I can put something together for you. They're typically around $20 because it does take time to sort everything, and they're always so heavy they have to go priority mail. And I do absorb some of the mailing cost, which I don't mind doing at all. So just let me know if you're interested in any sort of paper fabric ephemera pack.